got a big box. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. I go by the name of Solo. Welcome back to Solo Driven. Now, for those that are new here, this is my 2003 Terminator Cobra, and one of the plans that I've always had and that I'm trying to do with this build is to kind of stand out without doing the same things that everyone that has Terminators is doing, and without doing too much to where I ruin it. Now, I'm excited to announce that we're going to be doing some aero mods on the Cobra. We're going to be getting rid of these plain OEM fenders. Now, at first the plan was to hire a body man to kind of do a vent right here. After looking around for a while online for some aftermarket fenders, I found one company that makes some that I was kind of similar going for and that I like. These are the fenders that I bought. Now, as you can see, it has this nice beautiful vent that I was kind of going for in the first place, that I was going to hire the body man to do, but it has these vents up here in which I don't like. We're going to be getting rid of these and keeping this one, of course, and kind of smoothing out the whole body lines and everything here, because they're kind of rough, not the best job, and they have like little chips here and there on the antenna side as well. So we're going to be fixing this and getting them nice and smooth and deleting these ugly little vents up here and putting them on the car. Yeah, that's gonna look pretty damn sick once it's on there. Of course, this is just to get an idea, but look at that. I cannot wait to see that fender on the car painted and without these ugly little flares inside, or on the top, I mean. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. But yeah, let's just not damage that more than what it already is. I think it's gonna look real good. It's not gonna stick out too much. It's not gonna have like a crazy fender flare or nothing like that. It's gonna be OEM spec. And for those of y'all that are wondering about the Cobra emblem, the Cobra emblem is gonna shift up just a little bit to the left, and it's gonna go right here in the center, maybe a little higher too. You know, some people may not like that, but I think it's gonna look good. It's gonna help me kind of stand out from other Cobras out there. And you know, I like that type of stuff. It's to be a little different. So we're gonna be taking this over to a body man in the near future. That way he can get rid of all that, clean up all the mistakes, and kind of smooth it out. That way it can get ready for paint, and we can install these on the Hades Cobra. A couple things that I have planned for this car is I'm not only gonna just do the fenders, but of course I want to get a chin spoiler, some type of custom fabricated one, or just something different that, you know, not too many people put on the Cobra, along with some splitters on the side and the rear. Now the rear, I've saw a couple that I like online, even on Amazon, but I haven't gotten around to it because I want to knock out that front splitter first. I've seen some pretty nice side splitters and rear ones, so we're gonna figure all that out once I kind of piece together the pieces that I like, to make sure that it all goes and blends together real good. Also, another thing that I want to do, I kind of want to get like a little lip for this spoiler here to kind of make it rise just a little higher I think it'll look really good, but we're gonna have to kind of experiment with that, and also with that brake light. So, oh look, I got a crack in it. A crack in it right here too? What in the world? So yeah, I gotta order a new third brake light. And I think I may have found out how to do that little custom thing that I was talking about in the last video for the third brake light. Also, I'm gonna be reordering another gas cap because this has gotten ridiculous. I've lost all the bolts. I mean, some of them were already missing when I got it, and the paint, I'm gonna have to repaint this. Did a video on it last year. So I'm gonna be repainting the new one, and it's gonna look a lot better because it's gonna have all the little nuts. And this thing is starting to get really rough, really old. We're gonna be replacing that. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Those are the future plans for the Cobra. We're gonna have to do a lot of research, a lot of customized work. So make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of that content. Smash that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.